guys, and this is Jenny, and this is my honey cake.
We need for the cake 500 grams all-purpose flour, 220 grams sugar, 3 spoon honey, 3 eggs, 120 grams butter, and 1 teaspoon bicarbonate of soda. First, we mix half amount of sugar with the 3 eggs in a low heat. Make it sure that you don't cook well the egg, just melt the sugar. Once it's melted, just put aside. As you can see in the video. Now, we will put the another half of sugar, melt it in a low heat until become a caramel. In the other way, they are all mixing the all ingredients on the low heat. Same what we did with the egg in the start. But me, I have another way to make it more tasty. I will melt the sugar and add the butter, then add the honey, and here we have to be careful. The heat will be also low, and add the bicarbonate of soda, and the result from here, I will mix it with the egg, so I do it before.
A few moments later.
As you can see, the sugar is starting to melt. And now I'm going to add the butter. And just mix it. After that, I'm going to add the 3 spoons of honey. And we're going to add the bicarbonate of soda, then mix it with the melted egg. And now I'm going to add the flour, little, then I'm going to mix it one by one. And now I'm going to mix all together by the flour until you see the dough, the caramel and the honey with the dough. And now see, as you can see now, this is the dough of the honey cake. And we are going to place it in the fridge for half an hour. And this is the dough after half an hour, and then we will cut it into 4 pieces. And now we are going to make the dough, make it like this and cut it as a circle. And this per piece, we're going to make it as a layer.
By creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
As you can see right now, I'm making a circle. And then you have to use the fork to pour the dough. And this is the looks of the honey cake. Then I will just keep aside and I'll make another one. It's so great. It smells good. And this is the cake of honey cake. For the cream, you have to get whipping cream, 1 spoon of yogurt. If you don't have the sour cream, just put a little bit lemon. And you need 1 cup of milk and the coconut cream and the cream thick. You can use sour cream or 1 spoon of yogurt with a little bit of lime. And now we are going to add the 1 cup of milk and the whipped cream, and later we're going to add the rest. And now I'm going to mix it until it's become thick, and later I'm going to add the thick cream and the coconut milk. And last, I'm going to add the yogurt with a little bit of lime. If you don't have the sour cream, you can replace it with this one. And now I'm going to mix it all until it becomes thicker. Now the dough of the cake is ready. I'm going to put it make it a circle, and I'm going to put now the cream layer. Just put first the cream on the first layer, and then the second layer. Just put it all together. And as you can see, we have leftover bread here. You're going to smash it like this. You can use your food processor or anything. Here's the result. Oh, this is so yummy and it's very tasty. You can feel the honey on it and the sour, little bit sour and sweet. You have to try this, guys.
If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the button bell.